In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can create a private server here in Roblox Mobile. If this guide does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point you do have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But begin by opening up the Roblox app on your iPhone or your Android device and actually navigate to whatever game you want to make that server for. In this example, let's go ahead and pretend that I want to do it here on Grow a Garden. Go ahead and select your game though, and from here, scroll all the way down to the bottom and you're going to see an option for the servers tab. Go ahead and select it to open that up. Now from here, up at the very top, there's an option that says create a private server. Now some games like Grow Garden are going to let you do this for free. Others are going to cost Robux though. Go ahead and tap create a private server though, enter in your name. Like for example, I just did Just Boz for my name right here. And once it's created, you can actually hit these three dots and hit configure to actually set who can join, rename it, and so much more. From here, all you have to go in and do is actually back out, go back to that server list and hit refresh, and you'll see your own private server up at the very top. Simply go ahead and tap join on it and you'll load into your server, and your friends can also join if you've allowed them in there. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.